Yo, the quick and easy to get some live TV, movies, and TV shows all for free on your Fire TV stick. There's a couple options, but we're going to do a nice, quick, and easy way just so that you can get some extras too. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Head over to your search icon and type in Downloader. This is an application that will give you the ability to sideload apps that may not be available on the Amazon Fire Stick. So click on Downloader. If you do not already own it, get it, download it, install it. Throws it in the queue, downloading, installing, ready to go. Before we open it, we will need to enable an option, jailbreak it, to let it sideload these applications. So head over to the settings icon on the far right, down My Fire TV. And if you do not already have developer options listed, come up to About, and under Fire TV Stick, click your select button about 7 times, and then it says you are now a developer. Me, it says no need, I am already a developer. I'll come back out and go to developer options. Under install unknown apps, turn on downloader. This again will allow downloader to install applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. Let's hit our home button. And now let's look for downloader real quick. Under the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon. Find downloader. Use the 3-line button on your remote and move it to the front, because this will be our new store. So let's go back to the home screen and we can open downloader. Enable it to allow access to photos and media on your device. Quick start guide, OK. Under the URL, enter 370.178. This will give us access to the Led by the Unknown download page. Once the 5-second redirect is completed, you can hit the 3-line button on your remote, add current page to the favorites, save it, and now anytime you open downloader, you can just come across, hit favorites, and there you go, the download page right up in front real quick. Okay guys, we have tutorials, how-tos, some extra apps. Check it out. If you'd like to learn more about how to do these kind of things, please join our email list. If not, click the little X button. So guys, let's try. As you can tell, we got movies, TV shows, and live TV streaming apps. So let's try Fawesome. Yes, it is available on the Fire Stick. It is also available on the Google Play Store. Most of the other apps around here are available on the Google Play Store. So once you click Fawesome, come down to the install on the lower right corner. Let Fawesome install, and then we'll click Done. And now delete the APK file because we no longer need it. And delete again. And then we can come down. Let's try like we can come down and try Zumo. Or Zumo TV. And download Zumo. You can do this on your Android device or Amazon or mobile. So you can click on Zumo TV. The same thing. Let it download. Come down, hit the install on the bottom right. And then once it's ready, hit done. Don't open it yet because we need to delete that APK file also. And guys, of course, check up, check down. All the other awesome. So you can try like Pluto, Freevee. And there's a bunch of them. It's Peacock, DAZN, ESPN. Let's go back to the home screen. Now all those apps are downloaded under the Your Apps and Games icon. And we can go down and hit the 3-line button on our remote again. Move to the front. We can do the same with Xumo Play. Move to the front. So when we go back home to our home screen, we have them again on the shortcut with our download page. Let's open up Fossum real quick. Fossum, forever awesome TV and movies. So as you can tell, collection shows, latest live. If you're into sports, Fossum's even got a great sports section. Who knew? Fossum's relatively new. New arrivals, recommended, latest shows, collections, home, bunch of stuff. Go back to the home screen, open up Xumo. Again, recommended. We have live movies, TV shows, network. So we can try, let's go movies, watch movies for free. Xumo Originals, Xumo Exclusives, Comedies, Editor Picks, Recently Added Action, Sci-Fi, Crime, Thriller, Western, Romance, Suspense. The list just keeps going on and on, folks. Alright, enjoy. Take it easy. Peace. Happy streaming. You're welcome.